State asidagi Armed Forces singda tabak tauba singidamak Memorial Park ama Imphal Manungda Semgatnaba Hotnari haina Chief Minister Nongthongbam Biren na Fongdokre ngasi Armed Forces Veteran Day gi thoram Chief Minister Secretariat da at home reception for distinguished for veteran and beer naris haina pangthokre thoramadu da Rajya Sabha gi MP Sana Jaubalai Semba Forest Minister T.H. Biswajit Works Minister Govindas Kontaujam, Education Minister T.H. Basanta Kumar, Water Resource Minister Awangbo Nyungmai, PHED Minister L. Susintro, Veterinary Minister Kasim Basum, Health Minister S. Ranjan, MLA Singh Amadi, Army digi retired Tauraba Masaknaiba Mui Singh, Tongan Ba Armed Force ki, Makok Tongba Singna, Sarukyaki, Tauromasiga Mari Lenana, Chief Minister Nongthongbam Biren Makata Raduna, Memorial Park asi Lamfel da Tamnanaba Kanaki, Adubu, Mafam Adu Karaga Karachingbadegi, Atopa Mafam Yengduna, Lakli, Armed Forces ki Matona Amadi Makwegi, Lepak ki Damakta Katokpa asi Yamna Tagat Ningai ni Haiki, Ngasi asi Lepak asi ki Damakta Amadi Majati ki Damakta, Sovereignty Amadi, Integrity Ngakpada Tawai Pamudana, Katkiba Atauba, Nopanopi Singi Mafamda, Ikai Kumnaba Utpa, Numit ni Haina, Fongdoki.
और अभी मणिपुर में जो हो रहा है इसमें आर्मी असम राइफल्स का आप लोग का रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के साथ जो काम कर रहा है वी अप्रिशिएट यू फ्रॉम द गवर्नमेंट साइड यू आर कोऑर्डिनेटिंग वेल विद द स्टेट police department and now almost with good coordination between the central paramilitary forces, army and the state police. Situation is improving and the normalcy is restoring slowly. I wish all of you that you will extend the full cooperation in bringing this in the state of Manipur. I am seeking from you all the veteran also kindly advise, suggest in bringing peace and normalcy in the state of Manipur.